If you're between 18 and 25, you're broke, no connections, no money, no real world experience, no technical knowledge, and you're wondering if the crypto industry is actually for someone like you're in the right place. My name is Emmanuel, and on the channel, I show you how to make your first real income in crypto starting from zero. No jargons, no shortcuts, just a click by click, step by step. And in today's video, we're covering how to interact on the Startale Testnet. Let's get right into it. Alright everyone, old subscribers and new visitors checking us out for the first time, you're welcome. And so we have the mobile view here, and what this means is you can essentially follow along with the video. No need to waste the time. It will cost us zero, and it will take us zero efforts to begin interaction. So what we have is the home view. At the top here is the GM, and next to that is your point history card, and following that is the boost your star points. We're going to get to this in a minute, and then the last section is the invite section, all of what makes up the homepage. And in order to access this, you will find the link in the description box of the video. And so if I click on the progress tab here, it is going to show me the number of times that I have completed the GM check-ins. And in order to earn 1 star, I need to complete 10 GM check-ins basically. And that button, you will find it at the middle top of the page. It says send GM. So most likely you can confirm from your screen that you will be seeing send GM at the moment. And so in order to access your referral link, just click on the invite button like I'm doing. Just click on the invite button. Clicking on the invite button will bring us to this page. Here is the referral link. You can just click on this icon now, and it says copy to clipboard. And when you share the invite link, all of your referees, the people that you refer, will basically be populated under here. And once you do that, we're good, and we can move on to the next, which is the mini app store. To access the mini app store, all you have to do is just click on this second icon right here. I just clicked now. Did you get yours? You're basically following along with the video so you don't get lost, and this is how our videos are going to be structured so that you can interact alongside as I'm doing real time. Now we're tasked with interacting with each of these applications, and you can pick any one of your choice. All you have to do is just click on the open button, and that should be it. Remember the button that I talked about, boosting your star points from the home page earlier? This section right here that says boosts your star points. Now in order to do this, you need to get the USDSC token, which you can only purchase in-app, and that's where the swap page comes in, this middle icon right here. Again, I'm just going to click on mine. Have you clicked yours? I've clicked on mine. So here we are on the swap page. Now like I mentioned earlier, in order for you to boost your star points, you basically need to put your USDSC token to work. Now the question now is, how do you get the USDSC token? The way to do that is, you would notice I have my Rabbi wallet address connected. I just clicked on the Rabbi button now, and it brought up 2 wallets. So this bottom one that says Rabbi is my Rabbi wallet that I connected, and at the point of getting onboarded into the application, I have to create an internal wallet. You will be required to do same as well. So once you have that done, you can just click on the X icon, and then only your ETH wallet, your ETH fund balance will be tracked, because that's what you sell in order to buy the USDSC token. So in your case now, if you have some funds in your ETH, you can just input the numbers. For me, I'll just click on max, for instance. It's going to populate and give us the equivalent of the USDSC token, and I can just go ahead and click on the review. Now we're doing this to buy the USDSC token, to put it to work on the Startale application. Once you have that populated, you can click on the review swap. Like you can see, I'm doing mine now. Do that. Did you get yours? And traditional converting mechanism, it's going to pull up and give us the receipt of swapping. Basically the fees, the network is on Soneium, and you can see more details if you want by clicking on the see details, and every other thing there goes. Also, if you want, you can also adjust the slippage. You could pick any of the predefined percentage, or you could just click on the custom field and enter a custom like this 0.5%, and then you can confirm the slippage. That means if slippage is to occur, you're not going to be experiencing a loss beyond 0.5% basically. And if you're done, you can just click on the confirm, and that should run through, and now you're holding your USDSC token ready to put it to work. Now, how do we put it to work? Before we talk about that, guys, please subscribe, because this is what we do, showing you step by step, and you don't want to miss our videos. We always go live with our video uploads every Friday 5 p.m. and the only way to be notified is that you subscribe and turn on the bell notifications. So that's it. We'll click on this icon right here, which is the Earn tab. I just clicked on it now. Did you click yours? So if you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comment section, or you could just pause the video, take it back, and see the steps that I followed to achieve the conversion from Ethereum to USDSC. So here we are on the Earn page. Basically, we have two routes to earn. The first one is to deposit our USDSC token into a savings vault. And then the second option is to contribute liquidity of our USDSC tokens. And for every $50 that you contribute to the vault, you get 0.5 points. And so beginning, we just run through the first one, which is the Earn USDSC. So I'm going to click on this button right now. Did you click yours? You can pause the video and click yours as well. So now we're here, and this is what the vault looks like. Currently, this is the vault size, and these are the facts. No lockup. You can withdraw at any time, and you can claim your rewards. So from the previous step of converting Ethereum to USDSC tokens, once you have that in your wallet, you can just go ahead and deposit, and you should be earning a 4.97% APY. Basically, that's one way to grow your USDC. The second way to earn is to click on the Earn star point here, and I just did now. Did you get that? You start earning after 30 days, and it's 1 point for every $100 per day. And these are like the stats. I'm sure you can see the same thing on your screen, your mobile screen as well. Pool size is currently $3 million. Again, from the conversion we did earlier, once you have your USDSC token, you can just go ahead and provide liquidity, and that should start counting for you. And that will bring us to the last point for the video before we close out for today, is the wallet icon. You can just go ahead and click on the wallet icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. So lastly, this is what every traditional wallet interface looks like. You have your balance, you have the funding. If you want to load up your balance directly from your Bybit or Binance account, you want to send, and of course you want to receive as well. And these are like the tokens that we have now. From my Ethereum wallet, my EVM wallet, the only asset that is tracked again is the ETH, and that is because that's the gas native token. So you can use that, sell your ETH to buy your USDSC token basically. And that's going to be all. So now you know what to do. Let's get working. So that's how you interact on the Startale Testnet. Remember, everyone who is winning today started from the exact position you're in right now, and that's 0. The only difference is they had access to the right information and took action, and this is exactly what Overworks is here to do. If this video helped you, please subscribe, because next week we're going to be covering how to interact on the dark chain. If you're on X, follow me at OvoEmmanuel1. I share tips there that don't make it into these videos. Drop a comment below telling me exactly where you're starting from, and I'll see you in our next week's Friday video.